Welcome to Puerto Rico. This Caribbean island is only a 2.5-hour flight from Miami, and it's nicknamed the Enchanted Island for its beautiful beaches, painted sunsets, and colorful old town with its captivating musical scene. Today we're going to tour the historic old town of San Juan and the largest rum distillery in the world, Bacardi, where we're going to learn how to make one of the island's best known drinks, the mojito. Let's go check it out. We start our tour in Old San Juan, where we grab a cup of locally made Puerto Rican coffee at a cafe called Cuatro Sombras. The coffee shop. Cafe Sombras, Cuatro Sombras. Puerto Rican coffee is known for its smooth, balanced flavor, and to try it, check the link in the description below. Now we head 15 minutes from the San Juan downtown to the Bacardi Rum Factory, one of the must-see sites in Puerto Rico. Bienvenido. That's where we're going. In the Cathedral of Rum. Welcome to Bacardi! Woo! So Bacardi is the largest privately held family-owned spirit company in the world, and it was founded in 1862 in Cuba, and then it came here to Puerto Rico. On the tour, we learn about how rum is created. It starts with the raw product, sugarcane, much of which is imported to this island from Dominican Republic or India. Next, it's created into molasses and then finally stored in the barrels to create rum. Our guide explains that the drink became quite popular with pirates.
The rum that was around was very harsh and very crude, and it's what the pirates were drinking. It even had up to 80% alcohol.
Welcome to the Caribbean life.
Hey guys, we're on the Bacardi rum tour, and she just described all of the different types of rum that are made here. The more clear the rum is, the younger it is, the darker it is, the older it is. So this is the symbol of Bacardi. It means family, fortune, unity, and health, because the fruit bats were found in the cave at the distillery, and it meant they were going to have a large crop. This is the distillery from the outside. We are inside the Cathedral of Rum right now, giant building, and it kind of smells a little bit sour in here, mixed with vanilla. It smells like molasses out here. None of the product was destroyed during the hurricane, which is great. Great news. Realize how eco-friendly this place is. They are 10% wind-powered, and all of the remains of the distillery, a bacteria eats it and they turn it into methane gas to power the plant. This is the Mixology room. We're making mojitos and Cuba Libres. A little bit of azúcar. We're muddling up that lime and that sugar.
That's our best-selling rum, Bacardi Superior. You guys can be.
I'm gonna put a little
All right,
more
guys,
in.
so let's head out.
We just finished making mojitos. Cheers. Silver
Best
Pooble.
drink ever.
Silver Pooble. Best graduation party ever. Just graduated. We just graduated. We're in the gift shop now. We just left with our daiquiri. Love this tour. Definitely check it out. Link in the description below. We took the Mixology tour here at the Bacardi factory. So much fun. Definitely check it out. We learned a little bit about the history of rum and why this is one of the best exports of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, baby! Puerto Rico, Boricua! Woo! Now we head to the beautiful open-air visitor center. Each tour comes with one token, which you can redeem at the bar for a Bacardi drink. Here we watch the pros make Cuba Libres, otherwise known as rum and coke, daiquiris, and mojitos. Now we Uber back to Old San Juan just in time for sunset. Cruise ship has left the building. Hey guys, I'm at Castillo San Felipe del Morro. This was built in the 16th century by the Spanish, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is the perfect place to watch the sunset here in Old San Juan. It's just incredible. The historic city of Old San Juan is walled on 3 sides, including by Fort El Morro. San Juan is also the second oldest city in the Western Hemisphere. When Christopher Columbus arrived on the island in 1493, he named it San Juan Bautista after St. John the Baptist. Later, it became known as Puerto Rico, meaning rich port. I love this street. Look at the decorations. Just walking around, looking at all of these beautiful buildings. Everything is so historic. After the Spanish arrived in the late 1400s, it wasn't long before San Juan gained attention from other European countries and pirates. Construction on the El Morro fort began in 1539 to protect Puerto Rico from invaders. For the next 400 years, San Juan became a strategic military location and Spain's fortified door to the Americas. In 1898, the U.S. attacked Puerto Rico during the Spanish-American War. Puerto Rico surrendered after a few skirmishes and eventually became a Commonwealth and territory of the U.S. Today, El Morro is a national monument run by the National Park Services, and it's popular with tourists, hikers who hike the many trails, and kite flyers. So this right here is the drawbridge, the gate of Castillo San Felipe del Morro. This place is absolutely incredible. Wow, it's like stepping back in time. Walking around El Morro, you can easily get lost in its beauty and history, but we happen to get distracted by some very cute puppies. One of the best things about Old San Juan is that you don't have to walk far to find live music and entertainment. We walk across from the El Morro fort to see a live music band. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe because many more videos, including of Puerto Rico, are coming up next in our channel.